Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the suspension rod kit on this Whirlpool direct drive washer with a built-in faucet.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Defective suspension rods will typically cause an F0e5 error. When the unit ramps up into a high-speed spin, even with nothing in it, it will typically violently shake and go off balance. To test the suspension rods, you should push down on the basket, and if it bounces more than one time, that will indicate that the suspension rods need to be replaced.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video, and let us help you do it right the first time.